whipping up the babies, got the pot.
May.
Yeah, it's crazy. I've only driven 76 kilometers and my tank is like fucking drained already. That is.
I know what brand it is, but I don't know which model it is.
That's a Kawasaki Z750. Not a bad bike at all. It's quite nice, but that looks like an older model. I heard him just before he came behind us. I heard the bike.
He turned out by the KFC on it.
Oh, I didn't notice. Without gloves, it's crazy. I could never. Feel so wrong. still got an SE project on there. That's why it's so loud. Oh, he's got nice tires. He's got the same tires as me. Oh man.
It's getting hot in here.
Yeah. One thing I don't like about naked bikes is the handlebars though, Boops. I like my handlebars being down here. I don't like my handlebars being up here. I think if I were to get a naked bike, I would definitely put clip-ons onto it rather than keep the stock handlebars. This guy can't drive.
You're scraping boots again, Bubba.
I am? Wait.
I said don't.
Oh. McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken and a pizza. Say bye.
Hey, bye. Bye, bye. That didn't work. Can you leave the wood? Your jacket is in my way. Ugh. I'm not used to you being upright anymore. That's because of that.
At least I could hold the weight up.
You're much more bulkier. You used to lay forward like that a lot, but now you can't. It doesn't make a difference. I want my hoodies back now, please.
Your hoodies?
Yes. Because this doesn't work for me.
I like this jacket, okay? It's so nice.
It's a nice jacket, but I feel like it needs to be a little bit more saggy.
And I am not spending $4 grand on an armored hoodie. That's just ludicrous. As much as I want one, I am not spending $4 grand on an armored hoodie.
But that's not going to be beneficial for winter.
It's a hoodie. Of course it's going to be warm.
It's not going to be warm enough for winter.
Are you holding on?
Yeah.
I don't feel you holding on.
Maybe it's the damn
you leave the jacket out of this. You see, here's the Burger King and the KFC right next door. But I think this is halal one. They don't do bacon here if I'm not mistaken. I don't actually know. Wow, it's bumpy.
Like.
I see. Oh, it's little 125. Eco Brr. Oh my god, someone's bumper. Remember that red and gold CBR we saw in Marketplace? Like everything was gold, like all the accents and shit.
Mm-hmm.
They ended up selling it to We Buy Cars. I saw it for sale there. Because no one's gonna buy such a high kilometer bike. And the only way to sell it is to We Buy Cars, because they'll buy it and try to sell it, and someone will eventually buy it.
If an employee doesn't die on it first.
Wow.
Huh?
Wow. But yeah, so I think, fuck, I forgot what it was selling for. But I think it was like at 70-ish thousand, 73,000. And that guy was asking how much for it? I don't remember. I don't remember the post. Monday night, ladies and gentlemen. Monday night. Monday, Tuesday. I do feel like this is going to be a long week ahead. But, yeah, we'll just have to just see how things go. Such is life. Such is life. It's the downside of adulting. Another KFC. Another one. There's a lot of KFCs in this area. Because there's this one. There's the one down by Center Point. There's the one by Burgundy. Where else? There's one outside Canal Walk. There's one inside Canal Walk. There's one by the beach, by Blowbergs. There's like a shit ton of KFCs around here, but not a lot of McDonald's or Burger Kings. Scooter? That's a big scooter. And just like that, the wind is cut strong here. What the fuck?